Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of Rashmika Mandana's sari fashion choices. Known for her impeccable style, Rashmika effortlessly combines tradition with modernity. Let's explore some of her breathtaking sari looks. Printed saris are a wardrobe essential, and Rashmika knows how to make them look chic. From floral patterns to geometric designs, she effortlessly pulls off a range of prints, proving that saris can be both elegant and playful. The actress has a penchant for traditional silk saris, and she carries them with grace and poise. Whether it's Kanjivaram or Banarasi silk, she embraces the rich textures and vibrant colors, making a statement at every event. Rashmika experiments with contemporary drapes. She often opts for unique draping styles, giving a modern twist to the traditional attire. Her innovative draping techniques set trends in the fashion world. Fusion is the key, and she nails it every time. She pairs saris with unconventional blouses, experimenting with textures, patterns, and embroidery. This fusion of styles showcases her bold and eclectic fashion sense. For red carpet events, Rashmika often chooses sari gowns that blend the grace of a sari with the glamour of a gown. These statement pieces highlight her versatility and make her a trendsetter in the world of fashion. The beauty often opts for minimalistic sari looks. She understands that less can be more, gracefully choosing solid colored saris with subtle embellishments. Her minimalist approach radiates sophistication and timeless beauty. The actress effortlessly plays with contrasts, especially when it comes to blouse pairings. She combines saris with blouses in contrasting colors, creating a visually appealing and dynamic ensemble. This clever styling choice adds a touch of modernity to her traditional attire. To add a layer of uniqueness to her sari looks, Rashmika incorporates jackets. Whether it's a long jacket or a cape, this layering technique elevates the overall outfit, making a strong style statement. It's a perfect blend of traditional and contemporary elements. Breathtaking sari borders can make all the difference, and the beauty is well aware of this. She often chooses saris with intricate and statement borders, turning a simple drape into a work of art. The borders become the focal point, showcasing her keen eye for detail. Rashmika explores a variety of fabrics, from luxurious silks to lightweight georgettes. Her diverse fabric choices add versatility to her sari collection, allowing her to effortlessly transition from casual daytime events to glamorous evenings on the red carpet. Her sari wardrobe is not limited to specific colors. She embraces seasonal hues, opting for bright and vibrant colors in summer and transitioning to deeper, richer tones in winter. Her ability to adapt her sari palette to the seasons showcases her fashion acumen. No sari look is complete without the right accessories, and Rashmika nails it with her choice of jewelry. Whether it's statement earrings, intricate necklaces, or a bindi, she accessorizes with grace, enhancing the overall elegance of her sari ensembles. Rashmika is not afraid to embrace intricately embroidered saris or those adorned with delicate applique work. These details add a touch of luxury to her outfits, making her stand out at both formal events and festive occasions. Monochrome saris hold a special place in her wardrobe. Whether it's an all-white ensemble exuding purity or a striking black sari exuding sophistication, she understands the power of monochromatic styling, letting the simplicity of the color speak volumes. Channeling vintage vibes, the actress occasionally selects saris with classic motifs and designs reminiscent of bygone eras. This nod to traditional aesthetics showcases her appreciation for timeless fashion and cultural heritage. To infuse a playful and contemporary element, she often chooses saris adorned with tassels or fringes. These dynamic details add movement and flair to her looks, providing a refreshing twist to the elegance of a sari. Celebrating her cultural diversity, Rashmika incorporates saris from different regions. Be it a vibrant South Indian Kanjivaram or a delicate Bengali tan sari, she pays homage to the rich tapestry of Indian textiles, showcasing her love for cultural diversity. For more casual and relaxed settings, the beauty effortlessly pulls off the sari suit look. Pairing a sari with a stylishly tailored blouse and palazzo pants, she achieves a perfect balance of comfort and chic fashion, making it suitable for various occasions. The actress is known to experiment with different draping styles. From the classic navy drape to the modern butterfly style, she showcases the versatility of the sari by adapting its draping to complement her outfit and the occasion. The beauty occasionally chooses saris made from eco-friendly fabrics. Her commitment to environmental consciousness adds a thoughtful dimension to her fashion choices, inspiring a mindful approach to style. Her sari choices often reflect her cinematic influence. From vintage Bollywood glamour to contemporary South Indian cinema aesthetics, she seamlessly blends on-screen inspiration with real-life fashion, bringing a touch of the silver screen to her wardrobe. Playing with dual tones in her sari selections, she adds a captivating dimension to her outfits. Whether it's a subtle ombre effect or a bold color blocking approach, the dual-tone saris showcase her ability to experiment with color and contrast. In a nod to modern trends, the beauty occasionally embraces sari co-ords, pairing a sari with a matching crop top or a stylish blouse and pants ensemble. This contemporary take on traditional wear exemplifies her ability to stay on the cutting edge of fashion. For grand events, she opts for regal velvet saris that exude opulence. The plush texture of velvet adds a luxurious feel to her overall look, making a bold and glamorous statement fit for prestigious award ceremonies and high-profile gatherings. The actress has cultivated her signature style through specific prints that resonate with her. Whether it's a recurring floral motif or a distinctive pattern, these prints have become synonymous with her sari fashion, creating a unique and recognizable identity. Adding a touch of drama, Rashmika occasionally chooses saris with a trailing effect. The extended fabric trail behind her creates a majestic silhouette, turning heads and making a statement at events that demand a touch of theatrical elegance. The actress seamlessly infuses global fashion influences into her sari choices. Be it incorporating Western accessories or blending international runway trends with traditional saris, she exemplifies a cosmopolitan approach to fashion that transcends borders. The actress often showcases saris with intricate weaving techniques. Whether it's the distinctive craftsmanship of a pochampalli or the artistic allure of a pathani, she becomes a patron of heritage handloom fabrics. The beauty incorporates saris that mirror the essence of different destinations. Whether it's the vibrant hues of Rajasthan or the serene pastels reminiscent of coastal landscapes, her sari choices become a visual travelogue. To add a touch of allure, Rashmika embraces saris with sheer fabrics. She tastefully balances sophistication with sensuality, opting for saris that feature delicate sheer panels, creating a mesmerizing play of translucency in her outfits. Intricate lace and net accents make periodic appearances in her sari repertoire. These delicate additions enhance the femininity of her looks, offering a subtle and graceful texture that complements the traditional charm of the sari. For a contemporary and bold twist, Rashmika isn't afraid to experiment with saris featuring high slits. This modern interpretation allows her to showcase her footwear and adds an element of edginess to her traditional attire. She brings a whimsical touch to her sari collection with ruffle detailing. Whether it's along the borders or cascading down the pallu, the addition of playful ruffles infuses a sense of movement and fun into her overall look. Staying ahead of fashion trends, the beauty incorporates saris with 3D elements. Whether it's floral appliques or textured patterns that pop, these innovative additions create a visual depth, making her sari choices truly stand out. The actress explores saris with asymmetrical cuts. This avant-garde styling choice adds a contemporary edge to her outfits, allowing her to showcase her fashion-forward sensibilities. Championing artisanal craftsmanship, too, the beauty often chooses saris adorned with intricate handwork. Whether it's hand embroidery, mirror work, or bead detailing, these bespoke elements contribute to the unique and personalized charm of her sari collection. The actress embraces eco-friendly and ethically sourced saris. Whether it's hand-woven organic cotton or saris made from recycled materials, she showcases her commitment to conscious fashion choices, inspiring her audience to consider the environmental impact of their clothing. She often selects saris adorned with intricate applique work. These meticulously crafted details, whether in floral motifs or geometric patterns, add a layer of artistic elegance to her ensembles. The beauty occasionally revives vintage sari styles from different eras. Whether it's the glamour of the 1950s or the bohemian vibes of the 70s, she effortlessly channels the charm of bygone decades into her modern-day wardrobe. Adding a touch of glamour to her traditional looks, the beauty incorporates saris with tonal sequins. These subtle sparkling embellishments catch the light, creating a dazzling effect that's perfect for evening events and red carpet appearances. Rashmika embraces bold geometric patterns in her sari choices. Whether it's stripes, chevrons, or abstract shapes, these contemporary designs showcase her fearless approach to fashion experimentation. The actress explores varied sari silhouettes beyond the traditional 6 yards. From pre-stitched concept saris to uniquely draped styles, she pushes the boundaries, proving that innovation in sari fashion knows no limits. Rashmika understands the importance of presentation. Beyond the sari itself, her poses and movements during public appearances contribute to the overall impact of her look. She effortlessly carries the elegance of the sari through her demeanor and body language. To add flair and drama to her sari looks, she often pairs them with stylish jackets or capes. These layering pieces not only provide an extra element of fashion but also allow for versatile styling, making each appearance a unique visual experience. The actress adds a playful and dynamic touch to her sari looks with fringe embellishments. Whether it's along the borders or cascading down the pallu, these fringe details create a sense of movement and vivacity, transforming her saris into captivating ensembles. Rashmika experiments with denim saris. These unique creations showcase her ability to seamlessly fuse contrasting styles, creating a look that's both unconventional and chic. She opts for hand-painted saris that tell a visual story. Whether it's scenic landscapes, abstract designs, or intricate motifs, these handcrafted saris become a canvas for artistic expression, adding a personalized touch to her wardrobe. Incorporating modern blouse designs, the beauty occasionally chooses saris that create the illusion of a neckline. This innovative styling choice adds a contemporary edge to her traditional attire, striking the perfect balance between classic and trendy. Making a bold statement, she selects saris adorned with poetry or meaningful quotes. These unique and thought-provoking designs not only showcase her fashion-forward approach but also allow her to express herself through the language of fabric. Beyond the attire, the actress exudes confidence in her sari poses. Whether it's a confident stride or a poised stance, her body language reflects a woman comfortable in her own style, inspiring confidence in her fans and setting a powerful example in the world of fashion. The actress incorporates saris with digital prints. These high-tech designs often feature intricate details and vibrant colors, showcasing her adaptability to emerging trends in the ever-evolving world of fashion. She often revives forgotten or lesser-known weaves. From Patan Patola to Sambalpuri Ikat, she brings attention to the rich heritage of regional handloom traditions, contributing to the preservation of cultural craftsmanship. Rashmika incorporates boho chic elements into her sari ensembles. Whether it's fringe details, eclectic patterns, or layered accessories, she effortlessly infuses a free-spirited vibe into her traditional attire. She explores saris with convertible drapes. These innovative draping styles allow her to transform the look seamlessly, providing multiple outfit options within a single sari, and showcasing her adaptability to diverse fashion expressions. The actress occasionally opts for sari blouses with power shoulders. This 80s-inspired trend adds a touch of drama to her sari looks, accentuating her silhouette and demonstrating her fearless approach to fashion experimentation. The actress redefines sari styling. Whether it's a sleek metallic belt or a bohemian-inspired fabric tie, this modern addition not only enhances her overall look but also introduces a contemporary silhouette to traditional attire. The actress occasionally dons sari-inspired jumpsuits. These modern adaptations combine the elegance of a sari with the comfort and chic appeal of a jumpsuit, showcasing her willingness to explore unconventional fashion paths. And there you have it. Rashmika Mandanna's sari fashion choices are a true inspiration. Which sari look is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.